Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off with this silver spoon that I got at a flea market. I'm going to take and paint 3 coats of the color Almondine on the spoon part of it, and I waited for it to dry in between each coat. Once it was dry, I took my paintbrush, the back side of it, and did 2 dots for his eyes. Then I took a very thin liner brush, and I am going to do some orange for his nose, and I'm going to do the nose going straight down. So I just kind of took my brush with some paint loaded on it and kind of went back and forth and dragged the paintbrush down to make his nose. Once I had the nose all finished, I'm actually going to make it a little bit thicker. I didn't like how thin it came out. Pull that all the way down. Then I'm going to take another liner brush and I'm going to add his mouth. So I'm just going to do a line all the way around. So a little line at the top and then just kind of bring it all the way around. And bring it back up the other side. And then again, add that little line at the top. And I actually added a little bit more to the mouth because I felt like it wasn't dark enough. So I'm actually going to kind of just go over it one more time to make sure that it's nice and even and it's dark enough. And again, just using a really thin brush for this. Then I'm going to take that same brush with the black and I'm going to add a little paint above each eye for his eyebrows. So once I have that all painted and it's all dry, I'm just going to take some of the antique wax and go around the edge of the snowman face. I don't want to do it in the center, just around the edge. Once I have that all done, I'm going to take this rusty wire that I had and I'm going to wrap it around the very base of the handle. And I'm going to wrap this quite a few times just around that spot. Make sure that I'm pushing it down so that it's right at the base. Once I have it wrapped there, I'm going to start bringing it up the handle, just kind of twisting as I go. When I get to the almost top of the handle, I'm going to do the same thing that I did at the base and just kind of wrap around a bunch of times. Make it nice and thick. And then I'm going to leave a piece at the back of the spoon. And then I'm just going to kind of pull it over, make sure that it's all tight, and then just kind of wrap it into a hook shape. And that is going to be how we hang it. And as you can see, the hook is a little bit big for what I wanted it, so I'm just going to use my little clippers here and chop it off a little bit. Next, I'm going to take some ticking fabric that I had already previously coffee dyed, and I'm going to run it through this tag that I made. And the tag just says Frosty on it. And that tag is also coffee dyed along with the ticking fabric. I'm going to tie that on to the middle of the handle. I'm going to add a rusty bell, a rusty snowflake that I had, and I'm going to add that on with a rusty safety pin. I'm just going to push that right on to where I tied the fabric together. Attach it, and that is it. This project is done. I'm going to trim off some of the excess of the fabric. And there you go. You have a super cute snowman spoon. I had seen this on Pinterest, but as you all know that I have been painting spoons for many years. So how stinking cute did this turn out? I absolutely love it. It's so super cute and really easy to do. And I think it's absolutely adorable. I love finding things at flea markets and thrift stores to make over, and this is one of my favorites. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.